Hello, good day ma'am and sir. I am Mildred Rodriguez Daniel. I am 35 years old from Philippines. I am married. I have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. Ages 16, 13, 7. We are 7 in the family and I am a third in the family. I am Christian Catholic. According to my experience here in Philippines for 2 years as a housemaid from 2022 to 2024. I serve 4 members, 1 couple and 2 children, ages 5 and 3 years old. My daily routine where I wake up early in the morning, I will prepare myself. After that, I will go to kitchen to cook food for them. I wake up the kids and prepare their food. After breakfast, I will assist to get their school uniform. After that, I'll send them to school. After dropping them off, I'll go back home to start my work like marketing, cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes. And then 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I will pick up the kids from school. And then I will assist to change their school uniform. After that, I go to kitchen to prepare cook dinner. After dinner, I wash the dishes. First time to apply abroad, but I am willing to learn and I want to work abroad because I want to earn more money for my children's future. Thank you.